Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which for me it's right over here. Now before you actually tap on it, you want to hold it and it will take you to the settings, where here you can customize it. So let's start with calls, and we have the option to allow calls from anyone, contacts only, shared contacts, which is favorites, and then don't allow any contacts. Now I'll select don't allow any contacts just as a little showcase. Now there is also another option to allow repeated callers, and as you can see, if the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period, they will actually be able to reach you if you have this enabled. So this is a good option in terms of emergency, and it completely bypasses the allow calls. So as you can see, in theory no one should be able to call me, but if they call twice they still will be able to. Then going back, we have SMS and MMS and messages. So from here you have the same options as calls, minus the repeated callers. And then also we have allow exceptions, so we have just sounds that you can disable and enable, assuming which ones you want. Apart from that, leaving here, we also have a schedule, which is probably one of the more useful options in here. So if we go to schedule, as you can see, there is two pre-made, so you have sleep and event, but you can create your own. Let's make a time one, name it whatever you want. And once you name it, it automatically becomes enabled. And what you want to do is, number one, set the days of the week that it will be working in. So as an example, I'm going to create a work one, Monday through Friday, from 9 to 5. Like so. And as you can see now, it's set. Then we have do not disturb mode behavior. So here I would either tell you to go with the one that we have set up, or simply create a specific one just for this mode, which you can do right here by basically going in here and selecting these options yourself once more. And once you're done with it, simply leave this mode, and as you can see, it will be automatically checked on and enabled. And if right now it will be the time for it to turn on, which it's not, because it's 7:45 a.m. At least on this phone. Once it reaches 9, it will turn on, and it will be on till 5 p.m. So you don't actually have to do anything. But apart from it being set automatically, you can still tap on it right here to enable it whenever you want. And this will take the settings that we have just set, so all the calls and messages will be applied to just a simple toggle right here. And once you're done, if you don't have a schedule, make sure you disable it after you're finished with it. Otherwise it will be permanently on. With a schedule, if it's on, it's going to reach the time that it should be on, so it won't change anything, and then it will turn it off after the 5 p.m. That's assuming you have a schedule. But this is how you would enable and set up the portable hotspot, or not hotspot, but the do not disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.